nodes with value at given depth. And then just read the whole question. Basically what it says is that there is a node basically, yeah. There is a node that there is a tree and they give you a value at depth, and given this depth they want you to essentially at a specific depth level, they want you to then create a node that is then added into the tree. So that means from this original tree, this is an original tree at depth of 1. Depth of 1, it means that okay, well, if the depth of 1, this is depth of 1, but I need to then create a node of value 2 and then essentially attach the root from there. Oh, cool. Yeah, this is and then if we change it, original children node, but then it's or we go. It's now node with a node that every children go to. Now attach. Now the new node is now. And they sort of specified here, like if you're the left goes to the left and the right goes to the right. And then like this is what I've got. Let's just start with if depth of is equals to 1. I kind of cheated this a little bit. So if it's a 1 node, you basically just create a node and then attach the root. And then the root dot left, you create a new left node of the value, so the origin value, you attach it to the left root dot left. Done. Right node. This would be the left node. Else -1 -1, and at depth 2, that's where you change. But this is a 3. Come back here at -1, then now we can use this again. If root of the node. So, I kind of cheated this step here. So, yes.